This is a 2009 Lexus RX350, and I'm gonna change the cabin air filter. I got this from Amazon. Says fill top, filters dust, pollen and more, offers fresh interior air, installs easily. And the cabin air filter is behind the glove box. So to do this usually in the horizontal position, you move it to vertical position on both sides, and then you should be able to use a pry tool to kind of pull it out, or a flathead screwdriver. It has a notch there. It only goes in. Let's take a closer look. So that notch right there where my finger is, it only goes when it's vertical. Once you twist it, it'll lock in place. So you have to do that on both sides, and we'll take a look after I remove those. Let's take a look. I've pulled them out a little bit, and that's sufficient to drop it. And then you can see this is the filter. Get a pinch on both sides and pull it out. You won't believe the condition this is in. I need to vacuum it on the inside. You can take a look. This probably has never been cleaned before. I got this last year. Let's take a look. There we go. I don't know if it's visible, but there's a lot more leaves packed in there. So I'm going to use a vacuum, a dry vacuum, and try to get it off. Let's take a look at the air intake. Look, that's all leaves in there. So what's ending up with the filter. So I'm gonna vacuum this all and see what happens. I have cleaned the inside and cleaned the leaves from the front, from the intake, and your new filter is in, and it goes this way up. Just need to push it in. There we go. Look, slide all the way in. It's locked in place. There we go. It's all set. And just have to pull it up and then push it in and turn to horizontal position, and be done. Let's take a look. Bring it in. See, now it's holding it. I just pushed it slightly inside on this side too. So once I turn it, I'm ready to go. So the cabin filter change took me about 5 minutes, and then 15 minutes of cleaning. It's all done.